Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and in today's video we'll do the deep analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also we'll look at some stocks which are at verge of giving a very good breakout. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our video. So first, let's do the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with Nifty. So this is a Nifty spot chart, and if you observe the Nifty, I have already marked the levels beforehand so that we'll make this video short and informative. So now if you observe, right, so Nifty has been continuously taking support, and this is a 2-hour time frame chart. Now if you observe and if you watch my pre-market video, by the way, I upload pre-market video every single day. Now if you observe this Nifty 50 chart, that the stock has been taking a support continuously from this levels. Right now, if I have to mark these zones, so the stock has been continuously, and if I have already made a video previously about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, and in that video I have told you that 23,800, this zone is very strong support. Once this zone was broken, market headed towards the levels of 23,250. So if you look at the levels, right, if you look at the price, so market broke and it gave a sharp down move of 498 points, right? So once the market broke this 23,800, we saw a one side momentum in the market. Now what does market has done? So the market closing was around 23,657. So if you look at the structure, right, whenever the market break any support or the resistance zone, let's say this is the support, market will come here, here, and once they will break this zone, right, there are two things: either it will keep continuing this zone or it will come and take the retest of this zone, right? It will come and take the retest. This is called the retest zone, and once this market will take the retest from this levels where it was previous support, the market will do two things: either it will close above the support zone again and come back in this range, or it will take the resistance again from this levels and go into again a downward momentum. So how we will catch this downward momentum? We don't have to enter here. This is only for the risky traders. The safe traders will enter once this zone is broken. So this will be our entry. This will be our entry. So if you look at, this will be our entry. Let me mark it. Yeah, this will be our entry. We will not enter here. For the safe traders, will not enter here. Similar case is happening currently in Nifty. So what is happening in Nifty, right? So like I have told you, so this was the your resistance. This one was your resistance and this one was your support. Market has been taking support, right, and this zone was broken, and now it is now testing 23,800 levels, and from 23,800 market took rejection. Now two things can happen here: either the market will come and close about 23,800, in this case will turn bullish, right? In this case we will turn heavily bullish. If market will take resistance and break this zone, right, we will turn bearish, right? We will turn bearish. This is our trading plan. Risky traders can enter here and keep a stop loss of this zone, and safe traders have to enter below this zone. Safe traders will enter only below which zone? Once the Nifty will break 23,350. Now let's say if market will close above this, what we will do? We'll go for long. We'll take long positions in Nifty and we'll keep a stop loss of this base. If Nifty will break this one, what we will do? We'll go for short and we'll hold or keep our stop loss 100 points from those levels, right? So this is our trading plan, and the next support for the market is currently at 23,180 to 23,150, and afterwards the next support for the Nifty is looking at this levels 23,227. So once this market will come here, will exit 50%, and once the market will come here, will exit 100%. So this is the trading plan for the Nifty. I have discussed in detail what will be our strategy. Wherever the market will go, we'll just follow the direction. If market just be in a sideways range, just here, right here, it is not even breaking this zone, it is not even breaking this zone, what we will do? We'll not do anything. Simple as that. You don't have to trade every day. Not trading is also a trading. So this is Nifty. Now let's go to Bank Nifty, right? Now if you look at Bank Nifty, right? Now let me go to Bank Nifty. Yeah, so this is the Bank Nifty. So yes, this is the Bank Nifty and I already marked the level. So if you look at Observe Nifty and Bank Nifty, they both are in the same pattern. This was the previous support for the market. Now this one has become the resistance here, right? If it will break this zone, then we'll go for short. They'll go for short. If it close above this zone, right? If it close above this zone, above, then we will go for longs. This will be our trading plan in Bank Nifty, right? So again, the same structure what is happening in Nifty and same structure is happening in Bank Nifty. The support now will become 52,665 and the next support will become 50,100. So this is the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you would have understood what is my trading plan. I hope you would have understood what I'm trying to tell you through charts. Now let's talk about some stocks. Now I have already marked those stocks. So if you look at the stocks, right, the first stock in my today list is Manappuram. Now if you look at Manappuram, right, this is a daily time frame in Manappuram. Now if you observe the Manappuram, right, so here the market has been taking a support from this levels, right, this levels close to these levels the market has been taking the support, right, and now it is verge of giving the breakout and I am very bullish on Manappuram. I have recommended this stock so many times to you all that buy Manappuram. Manappuram looks very strong on charts, yeah, long side. So I think the Manappuram looks very strong. Available in futures. Go ahead and take long positions. I think it is heading towards 350 and keep a stop loss of close to 290. So 1:2 kind of ratio in Manappuram. Stocks looks very strong on charts. So keep a stop loss of 290. Let me mark this. So 290 and keep a target of 350 here on this long call. So Manappuram very looks good on stocks. On charts. So add in your watch list. Now Manappuram is done. Let's go to Biocon. Now Biocon also looks very strong on charts. Now if you look at Biocon, right, so it is at these levels. Let me go to weekly time frame. So now if you look at the market, Biocon has been taking a resistance from this zone after posting a good numbers from Biocon. Look at the volume and look at the big candle has been forming. So I think the market Biocon is ready to heading towards its levels of around 480. So risk to reward is very much favorable at current market price and pharmaceutical. And if you look at this pharma stocks, they have been doing very good. So Biocon is in my radar. Keep a target of 480. Go long in Biocon, available in futures. So these are the two stocks which I think. And the third stock, if you are a risky trader, then go for Bharti Airtel. The numbers in Bharti Airtel was very good results from Bharti Airtel. Now Bharti Airtel has been now in a downtrend, right? If you look at from 2170, the stock has been corrected. And from there, once the stock has been corrected, and from there it has formed close to double bottom, and now it is breaking this zone. So go ahead and take long positions. The volumes are very good. The candles are forming are very big and green. Keep a target of first target you can keep. For the first target you can keep it around this levels, and the second target for these levels. So 2045 and these two levels you can catch. The stocks looks very good. Keep a stop loss of 140, 150. So 60 points, 50 points from here, and keep a long target of 100 and 150 points in Bharti Airtel. So these are the two stocks which I have discussed in detail. If you like this video and if you want me to make more videos like this, do two things for me. Comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn new something today. And like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye and take care.